क्या बात है, प्रिंटर भी पुराना ही दिया है आपने। भाई सुना कि जितना इतना खर्चा किया, ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये कंपनी बंद होने वाली है अभी।
और एक और चीज, अनअकैडमी का आज कौन सा बर्थडे है?
आखिरी
कॉमेडियन है समय रहना,
लेकिन मैं समय को एक रोज पे लाऊंगा, फिर उसे पब्लिश करता हूँ।
समय रहना है, समय रहना क्या क्या बोलता है।
Good publicity is publicity, bad publicity is publicity, but no publicity is a bad publicity. See, publicity is publicity, whether it's good or bad. Even a bad publicity can make your brand go viral. Look at Unacademy, an educational brand that decided to get insulted by a comedian. They literally paid Samay Raina to roast them in front of thousands of students.
तूने आज के शो के लिए स्पेसिफिकली शेव किया है? हाँ, मैंने कहा यार काटते हैं इनकी तरह ही। मैंने तो फिर भी दाढ़ी काटी है, इन्होंने तो बच्चों का ही काट दिया है पूरा।
They literally created bad publicity and used it smartly in acquiring new customers. Before that event, most people didn't even know what Unacademy really was. So what Unacademy did was they invited Samay Raina at their anniversary event. Not to host, but to roast. This anniversary event was actually a sales funnel where they gave a lot of offers just to acquire as many students as possible for their education program.
आपके करियर के लिए, आपके फ्यूचर के लिए there is going to be 50% off on all subscription across all the categories. अगर कोई भी बच्चा 9 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेता है तो उसको 9 months का एक्सटेंशन absolutely free.
See, it's obvious that Unacademy target market are students. That is young audience, and most young audiences watches wine, roast, and comedy videos. And Samay Raina was a bit famous at that time, so inviting Samay Raina in an event is like having access to a lot of youth attention. So what they did is they planned to get roasted by Samay Raina to gain a lot of attention.
Oh my God! क्या बात है, प्रिंटर भी पुराना ही दिया है आपने।
A second hand printer so that you can pursue something from your degree as well.
Thank you so much man, means a lot to me यार। इस प्रिंटर को मैं कहीं और जाके अभी बेचता हूँ। Just like the educators.
And guess what happened? His roast went viral and Unacademy got massive publicity from it. So now almost 85% of Indian youth audience know what Unacademy really is. All thanks to bad publicity. Now the real question is, how can you use bad publicity of your brand to grow, and how can you create bad publicity intentionally? So number 1, leverage controversy. Do something fun or unexpected that grabs people's attention. It could be inviting someone surprisingly or doing something a little crazy. The idea is to spark conversation even if it means people poking at you. Second, embarrass the conversation. If people are talking about you, even if it's not all nice, don't hide. Talk to them, explain your side, and maybe even laugh along if it's light-hearted. You have to own the publicity and turn it into learning moment or marketing opportunity. Third, create buzz. Sometimes people might say something bad, but if you are clever, you can turn that into a story that shows you are brave, creative, and human. Even bad attention can fuel curiosity. And yes, you can turn negative reaction into a way of showcase your brand's value or a new direction. Publicity is like fire. It can warm you if you use it right, or it can burn you if you are not careful. The key is knowing how to handle it. Remember, bad publicity doesn't mean end of your business. It could be start of something new and exciting.